I never knew joy until I hugged a sloth.
It's so snuggly. It's like giving me the biggest hug ever.
Getting a hug from an E is a whole different feeling.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, puppy!
Is so cute.
What? What do you want?
Oh my gosh.
Because this
This is the good photo op, right?
is it.